friends, thanks for visit my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna show you how to make delicious juicy chicken shawarma, which will be homemade, and you can make one if you have all the ingredient and available spices, and I hope you can do it. With this amount of chicken you can make two different sandwiches. I have separated for two different chicken shawarma sandwich. This pack of chicken comes with all the ingredient and added, and you don't have to add additional spices because it is ready made and you can find easily at any of your local shopping mall. Before you put it in the stove for fire, just make sure the taste is alright, and if you need extra salt you can add more. Here I have added a little olive oil as well as some butter, so it will make more tastier. If you prepare it's more spices, and you can add black pepper powder over it, and here I am adding only 3 slices of butter over the chicken, and I'm gonna put little salt also because I think they haven't added the salt, so to make sure you taste it before you fire it, and I have added little salt to make it more tastier. Everything looks ready and perfect, and it's time to put it in fire. After fire the stove, I just leave it for 5 minutes to make it more hotter internal space, so it will be more good if you just make it hotter before you place the chicken to the stove. At this point I cooked 8 to 10 minutes, and please do not open between this time, so it will be well cooked and more juicy. After 10 minutes I have opened and found it's almost cooked, and what I have done is I just made the chicken upside down to cook well for the opposite side too. Now cook again for next 6 to 7 minutes, not more than this, because that chicken will get dark spot. After cook the both sides, you can remove now, and you can slice the chicken as you required, and because some of the pieces are larger than you needed, and you can now prepare for the shawarma sandwich. It's time to prepare your sandwich, and you get the bread like this, and I have added the creamy Kaiser over the bread to make it more tastier. Make sure you spread the cream all over the bread. Now add the grilled chicken over the cream. I have added the mushroom sauce over the chicken, and it will be more juicy if you add the sauce. Also I have added salad dressing sauce, and you make sure that you shake the bottle before you apply over the chicken, so it will mix well. And at the final stage you add the tomato ketchup to make it more juicier. Now it's ready to heat again in the micro oven, not more than 20 seconds or 25 seconds. So all the juice of the sandwich inside the sandwich will be heat and mixed together well. Here we go, our homemade chicken shawarma is ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video and you can do it on your own at home, and please like and comments to my videos. If you like it, you can share with the friends and family. Thank you very much.